Hi everyone, my name is Dragon Sifu. Today I want to talking about the Wing Chun Do butterfly, the life Do. Okay, Wing Chun have two weapons. One is the 6點半棍, the pole, the long pole. Okay, 6點半棍. The other one is the Do, butterfly. So, Do total have 8 session. Is similar to Wing Chun form. Okay, 小鏈頭, Chum Kill, 標誌, and movement dummy. All group in the Do. Okay, so before you want to practice the Do, I think you need to complete the Wing Chun 4 form, 小鏈頭, Chum Kill, 標誌, and movement dummy. Especially Wing Chun Do, the footwork is very special for close fighting, for 黐手, because Wing Chun Do footwork, 馬步, we call 馬步 footwork. It's like 圈馬, it's like this 圈馬. Okay, so probably I'm already create the Do courses. If you know, I create the 小鏈頭 Wing Chun, Chum Kill, 標誌, movement dummy, and without movement dummy, and self-defense courses. Total have 7 courses. Now I'm already create the Wing Chun Do courses. If you like these courses, you can keep below the description to look more about Bajamdo information. Okay, if you like this video, please remember to like or subscribe. Okay, I see you.